بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Brothers, sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's lesson we will start to model walls and floors. I did these models just for test. I want to show you, and maybe we will make something like this. You see, I did this model. It's just like the previous one, or let me say, just like this one. Okay, it's the same thing, so it doesn't need to show you how you make this one. But instead of choosing window, you just choose the family for door. That's all. Okay, and we will start to model something like this today. So close this one and new project. Let's say architectural template and click OK. What we have for the dimensions, I will use the dimensions of 6 meter. After that, I don't know, maybe 1 meter or less. Let's say 1 meter for now, and 4 meter. I'm sorry, it has to be 4,000, not 4 meter. After that, you see, I can just click here, and again the same dimension. This is the dimensions that you can change it. Don't worry about it. You can change it at any time, because Revit is very powerful for this one. Even I can model just like this without any dimension. We know Revit let us to model something like this, and after that just come and change the dimensions. You see, for this one you can change the dimension whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want. For this one, maybe again this one 4,000, and click here and change this one. It's the same thing again. After that, this 12,000, the same thing. Okay, the same procedure, no problem. So I'll delete this one. And by the way, before I start, I have to set the levels. Okay, because as you see here, I have 2 levels. As you see, 4 meter, but I want to be 2 levels, or maybe more. But anyhow, I will make 2. I will pick a level, and the offset will be 4,000, which is 4 meter. It's just like this. Okay, so now I have two levels. Here I can go to 3D, and I can see whatever I have. Okay, so what we can do? It's very easy. Just we can go to window. We don't have that family we created before, so we have to load it. So go to load family, and the place where we saved our family. I think it's here or not. Here, you see, I will bring all the families here. Just open it. Now, what I'm doing, I'll also show you something. It needs some time. Okay, let's say yes, or let's say cancel for now. You see what we have now? We have all look, we have arc window. So I will set the first one, but if you look at here, the first one, sorry, I will choose the arc window, just like this, and again another one. I'll put arc window here, I'll bring the door. How can I find the door? I cannot find it here, so what, I have to go to doors. After that I can find it, or again I have to bring family, that family for door that I created. Projects, revit, family, door, open it. Okay, so as you see, now I have everything set. What about the dimensions? You see here, there's no, it's not correct, so I can go to south view or any kind of view. You see, just click on it, and you can set it from here. Set, for example, 400, maybe 500, maybe whatever you want. Okay, 500, let's say. The same procedure for that one. 500 is it's okay for that, and this one is here is 500, and of course what we want, we'll just bring it up a little bit, and we can say 500. Is it like this? Yeah, we can make it, for example, this one, we can change it, no problem, whatever we want. Okay, so now it's very good, but what, how can I set it? As you see, if you click here, you see you have to you see 2 dimensions, 1, 2, so it's not in the middle. So how can I make it in the middle? It's what can I do? If I set this one 170 or 180, it will be in the middle. Okay, just click it. 1800, sorry, 1800. Again, 1800, let's say. Of course, it will be in the middle. 1800. So now everything is, we set everything. As you see, if you go to 3D, we can change to this to fine and this to realistic, and we see. Now we have everything set. Okay, we can do for one side, but I want, because I made a classic window, or another classic window for this one, which is the street. I'll put the street in this side. However, I can put the street in the ground floor, straight window in the ground floor, and the arcade one to the first floor, but it's according to design. So I will bring the classic window here. Maybe I can put 3 top, 3 bottom. Again, the same procedure. Escape it. At this time, go to west or south. I don't know which one, or west or east. Okay. Now again, I want to set this to 500 or maybe more because it's smaller. I can set it to 1000, 1 meter. Again, the same procedure, 1000. However, I can use a line, by the way. Okay. For this one, I can use a line, as I said, or just click and write the dimensions. Okay, as you see now, what I have here, 1 meter, after that 2 meter. This is if I set this one also 1 meter, we see, look, this I have 1 meter, this also I have 1 meter, so I have to set this one in the middle. Okay, so I think 1900 is will be in the middle. So now this 3 is are in the middle. Again, 1000, $1,900, and again click it, 1000. Now is everything is good. See, everything is good now. So that's very good. That's very good thing. and I can go to level 1 and I can make a floor by picking some points, or this one picking some points, sorry, some lines, not some point, some lines. Of course we can do, yeah, I think it's okay now, and we have this floor, so it's okay. We can change it later if we want. Now we have this floor set. After that we can go to level 3 or maybe level 2. At this time we want to make roof. Okay, again by picking some lines. Now let's just click finish. Let's say yes and delete instance. We see what happened. Sorry, you see we delete the instance because this is on level 2, so it should be on level 3. So I'll just change it to level 3. Yeah, I changed back to level 3 and now is everything is okay. But as you see, the height is too much, so it doesn't need. You see, slope is 30 degree. Let's say 10 degree, and we see something like this, or maybe a little bit more. 50 degree maybe is good. 15. Sorry, not 50. Apply it. This is if you want. If you are not, you can change whatever you want according to your design. But I lost this here, so I'll just change back and select this one. What I'm doing, I'll just I can just move it. Alright, we can go to south elevation and just go to move to from this point to that point, and I think now everything is okay. And also I can just bring it down this one. Now everything is okay. Maybe a little bit I can do it like this. Anyhow, we can change this later, and it doesn't matter. Okay, that's very good. So we could get this one. So now how about this area here? This one I can do it very easily. How? We learned. Just let me first save this file, so I don't want to lose it if computer crashes. So save it, projects revit and classic villa, let's say course file. By the way, I will put this file on my Patreon. If you want to join, you can download it later. Just save it. It's very good. After that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go component model in place and generate model. Okay. After that, insert, import card. As you see here, I have what I have. I have this one and this one and this one. I have this model and this column, this curve, and this one. And what is the file that I want? Because I have I saved some files for this purpose. Yeah, this file I want to bring this one entrance column L shape. So just open it. We learned how we can bring any kind of 3D model, and we see where's the model. See, the model is too small. Just click it. It's too small. No problem. Just go to edit. And the first thing is change to the fit to meter, and set the scale to 2 meter. Well, also we learned how we make this. Okay. We learned how we make this. After that, unpin it and go to south view. Just bring it to somewhere like this, no problem. After that, go to west and bring it outside. It's just like this. We can use a line option, of course. For example, let's say we want to like from this point, no problem. After that, look it and align this point to this one, maybe. Finish. I don't want to look at that one. Okay, so you see now we have this cool thing. By the way, this is the dimension line. It's in the AutoCAD. I can just open AutoCAD file and delete this dimension line, or I can export it here, but I don't want to export it here. So that's why I will leave it as it is. After that, go to south view, and now we want to make another copy, because it's here I have only for these two sides. So I want to another one for this side. By the way, I can arrange this one, or I can make it L shape in AutoCAD, or I can just copy it or mirror it here. But I don't suggest you to make mirror, because if you make your mirror, if you use mirror for that, you will lose, or your quantity or B of material will be not correct later. Anyhow, but it's only for tutorials. That's why I'm using this one. Okay. I want to draw. I want to mirror this one, and sorry, I want to just select this one, and I want to mirror this one in the middle, just like this. No problem. I know I have some problem, but it's okay for me. And I will use arrow key to adjust the position to the correct position. As you see, I want to overlap it exactly with this one, so as not to be clear while I'm rendering. Okay, I think now is correct. Anyhow, as I told you, that you can arrange this one, this file into AutoCAD. Okay, as you see now, I think is okay, but I have some problem now. What's my problem? My problem is the door. As you see, the door is became underneath this one, so I have to select the door, and the steel height, let's say 300. I don't know it work or not, but I'll apply it maybe 35 centimeter is better. I think now is correct. Yeah, it's correct. Don't worry about this voice, we will fix it later, no problem. This okay. So that's very good. We could do this. By the way, I want to bring this one, for example. If I want to bring this one up to here, I can do it. Just go to edit footprints and go to top view. Just select this line and bring it here up to this line, or I can just use a line tool. Align this to that. I'm sorry. No problem. We can use arrow key. You see, I can again to the left and right side. I have to adjust it also. You see, while I'm zooming, while I'm after the, sometimes you see I'm zooming a lot, because while if I zoom like this, you see the distance, the shifting distance. But while I am zooming in, the shifting distance will decrease. Okay, the movement. So I want to be as much as possible correct. However, it is tutorial, but don't. If we could, why not? Why we don't want to make correct? Okay, so that's very good now. Okay, you see, I can just bring down one side or other side. You see. Anyhow, as you see, you can see this shape here, but it's not correct. I have to put some columns here again. Again, I am going to use model in place and generic model again. Okay, as you see, generic model 3, because we have two generic models, 1 and 2. This is the number 3, so just click OK. After that, go to insert, import card, and for this time only column model, just open it. Again, you see this red line is too small. Again, make it this one, not inch, make it meter, and to apply and OK. Unpin it later. Go to west and bring it outside. I'll zoom in. You see, sometimes I have some error. You see, I have to bring it this one, or I have to fix this one. So how can I fix it? Because it's column, so I can just click here and change the scale to 2.1 maybe. I think it will fix my problem. Yeah, it's about not correctly, but it's about to fix it my problem. So I'll adjust with this area here, and after that go to south view. From the south view, I think now it's about correct. So I don't want to really, I don't want to waste time, because I see if I took time with me, it's just for tutorial, so I don't want it to waste time. And we can close it. Just select this one and go to south view. The same thing, mirror from this point to that point, and now I think now everything is okay. But we can just a little bit move it to the left side. Now everything is okay. As we said, this is not a problem. We can solve it later. I think now everything is okay and everything is good. How about the floor? This one, we by the way, we can make instead of this one, we can make it a door, and we can make another thing like this here. But we can't do it. But again, it's wasting time. Or otherwise, if I want, I can bring the rectangle one here on the slab. I make a slab and I put it on it. Anyhow, what I'm doing after that, I'm go to architecture roof, and I want to fascia, or I don't know how it pronunciation. I want to put some here. As you see, it's just like this. I can just close it. Okay, after that, select this one, and you see I made a profile for that, so I can bring the profile, go to insert, load family, the same place. It's not here. What is that one? Projects maybe here. it's not here at all. Yeah, this one, this cover. So I bring this one. After that I can select this one, go to sorry, from edit type, this one I have this one, apply, and okay, I made this. Again I can rotate it by 90 degree. By the way, if we make this one separate is better, because look here, this for some of these is correct, but for the rest not. So if we make one by one, is I think is better, so we can solve these problems here. You see now, for this one is okay, for the rest not. So anyhow, it's not a big issue. It's not a big issue at all. So this is the model. After that we can make some materials. If we go to view or manage, and from the material we select the material, we can bring whatever material we want. For example, whatever material, let's say this one, and where we see, look from here we can bring this one. Just click here. You can bring the cover, and of course when I select this one I can just go to unpaint it, paint it with any material I want. For example, let's say this one. You see, we can just select and roof tile. See, we can just select and put the material that we want. How I can adjust this one? I can go back to the manage, material, roof tile. I think it was roof tile. Yeah, this one. Go to appearance, just click here. I'm sorry, on the picture, show you on the picture, and adjust this dimension. You see, if we say it's 50 by 50, 500 by let's try this one. See, it will be smaller. But if we put let's say 2 meter here, and 2000, sorry, 2000, we see it will be bigger, just like this. I think maybe 3 meters is okay, or maybe even more. So I will use 3.5 meter. I think now is okay, so it's very good for now. Of course you can change whatever you want. Anyhow, after that just select one wall, because we use one wall, and edit type, go to edit from the material, as here from the material, just click it, and we want to white material, so we will search for white, and we see we can use this one and click it OK, apply and OK. And this is the material, and this is the shape here. I think this is enough for this lesson. The next lesson I will discuss about the landscaping. You see here we have a walkway, and I want to make a road here, maybe something like water here and road here, I don't know, maybe a swimming pool here. Whatever we want, we can do it. With Revit is everything is very easy. By the way, we can just again select this floor and edit a material for that, because we have a window, so it will be shown on the on window. Maybe wood, I don't know. As you see, because we have as I said, because we have window, and it will be seen through the window. By the way, we can hit render if we want, just to look at, but usually I'm not rendering here, because there's some other programs which is so powerful, like Lumion, or before I was took the or export the this one to 3D Max, but we can use Lumion, because I think Lumion now is a very strong software, so we can use Lumion or whatever we want. You see, now we can see through the sun through the window. It comes inside the rooms. Anyhow, this is enough for this lesson. So don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much.